Hello, welcome to iREAP. In this video, we want to show you how to connect this Bluetooth barcode scanner Panda PRJ-BT-888-1D USB using USB Type-C OTG cable. Okay, before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. First, prepare a Type-C OTG cable like this, then plug the Type-C end into your Android phone. Then, with every purchase of the barcode scanner, we are given this. This is called a USB receiver or USB dongle. Plug the USB dongle into the Type-C OTG cable like this. Here is the shape of the Panda Bluetooth barcode scanner type PRJ-BT-888-1D USB. To find out whether the barcode can be scanned, try opening Notes on your phone. Then try to test scan an item. If the barcode numbers appear, then the barcode scanner is already connected to your Android phone. Now we will try to do a transaction using the barcode scanner in iREAP Pro. Click the Sales menu. Click the plus icon on the top right corner. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Select Open or Close Barcode. Then we will see the barcode icon here. Try clicking on the barcode or description row. Let's try scanning the item. If we scan twice, the quantity will automatically increase. After finishing the scan, click the Pay Cash button. Then tick Print Receipt to the printer. To see how to connect the Bluetooth printer to the iREAP application, you can check our video at the link in the top right corner, or check the link in the description. Once done, click Confirm Payment. Okay, thank you for watching our video until the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share this video with your friends.